Hello, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we're showing you one of our latest prizes, which is the 1980 Suzuki GT250 X7. What we're going to do, as you can see, it's cold, so we're going to have a go at starting it. First of all, switch your ignition key on, and then you've got a fuel tap on the other side, which needs to be on, and there's also a choke lever on this side as well, which you switch down. You might have to wait for a few seconds just for the fuel to run through. There she goes. It's a really nice bike this, been fully restored, stripped down right to the frame, engine fully rebuilt. Really sweet engine. As you can see, it's got these Higgspeed expansion chambers on, which really do sound very nice. We'll just start it again. It needs a bit of warming up. I did take the choke off straight away. You barely need to kick it. And there we have it, that's the Suzuki GT250 X7. Tickets are $2.99 as always. If this is no longer on the site and you're watching this video and it's an older competition, still check the website out because we've got lots of nice bikes, especially Japanese two-strokes, really like putting those on, British bikes and cafe racers. So still check it out, and thank you for buying a ticket and good luck if you do enter. Thank you.